4. Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8500. Are you tired of constantly replacing ink cartridges in your sublimation printer for your small business? Look no further than the Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8500, the best sublimation printer for your needs. With its cartridge-free printing technology, you can expect lab-quality photos, graphics, and creative projects with vibrant colors and sharp text. This printer offers extraordinary media handling capabilities, allowing you to print borderless pictures up to 8.5 inches by 11 inches on various paper types. Plus, with its auto two-sided printing feature, you can save paper and time. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8500 also provides amazing value for your small business. Save a ridiculous amount on photos and creative projects with affordable in-house photo printing, where you can print 4-inch by 6-inch photos for about 4 cents each compared to 40 cents with traditional ink cartridges. With each included replacement ink bottle set, you can print for up to 2 years. Furthermore, this printer produces zero cartridge waste with its high-yield ink bottles, and each replacement ink bottle set is equivalent to about 100 individual ink cartridges. With this, you can conveniently print, scan, and more from your mobile device with the Epson Smart Panel app. So, if you want to purchase this printer, check out the link in the description box.